Are you tired of slow internet speeds ruining your streaming, gaming, or work sessions? Imagine a world where your internet is fast and reliable. Keep watching to discover how a few simple tweaks to your router settings can transform your online experience. Many people overlook their router settings when dealing with slow internet speeds, assuming their internet plan is the problem. But did you know that optimizing your router can make a huge difference? The first step to faster internet is updating your router's firmware. Manufacturers regularly release updates to improve performance and fix bugs. Keeping your firmware up to date ensures you're getting the best speed possible. Next, consider changing the wireless channel. If your router is set to a crowded channel, it can cause interference and slow down your connection. Switching to a less congested channel can boost your internet speed. Enabling quality of service, QoS settings, allows you to prioritize certain types of traffic on your network. This means your most important activities, like streaming or gaming, get the bandwidth they need. Most modern routers are dual-band, operating on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. Strategically using both bands can increase your internet speed. Connect high-speed devices to the 5 GHz band and leave less important devices on the 2.4 GHz band. Routers often come with various features that can consume bandwidth or processing power. Disabling unused features like guest networks or advanced security options can free up resources for faster speeds. By updating firmware, adjusting channels, enabling QoS, and using dual bands, you can significantly boost your internet speed. These simple adjustments can make a big difference in your overall internet experience. With a little tweaking and optimization, your internet will perform at its best, ensuring smooth streaming, gaming, and browsing every time. Say goodbye to frustrating slow speeds and hello to a faster, more reliable connection. Need more help? Precision Technology Solutions in Texas is your go-to for all IT solutions and computer help. With years of industry experience, we are a trusted and efficient service provider. Contact us today to optimize your internet experience.